steam engine and boiler works used to power equipment that made fruit boxes in Lawrence. I'll zoom it in, see if you can read it. Sorry, my hand's shaking too bad. I won't. My hand's shaking, it gets worse if I zoom it in. And that's what it says. You should be able to zoom it in anyway and read what it says. There's the shingle mill over there. Here's an old vehicle here. It's nice to have these around. Nice to have a look at them. 2 steering wheels. I'm not for sure the reason behind that, but okay. Here's some more old machinery. There's one piece up there, if I can zoom in. There's that one. Some type of old trailer. Looks like it used to be like a water trailer, old water trailer or something. I'm not for sure. That's my guess. If you have a better guess, let me know in the comments. With some other machinery, if I can zoom in okay without shaking too bad. Up there. Here's an example of an old cemetery. The sign up there says "Rest in Peace." And there's a sign over here. Hopefully you'll be able to zoom in more and actually read this. I'll read a little bit of it. Cemeteries in early America were a matter of practicality. Before 1831, America had no cemeteries as we know them today. For most part, it used to be the case that in the 19th century, people would die at home and funerals would happen at home. A middle-class house would typically have 2 parlors, a front parlor and a back parlor. The front parlor was a special formal room where you would have major family rituals like marriages and funerals. I'm about to read the whole thing. Unlike urban dwellers who had access out a small plot of land, often in wooded areas bordering their fields, to begin a family plot. Sometimes several families would arrange to bury their dead there, all together, while some of these sites later grew into true cemeteries. Many were forgotten after families moved away or died out. In our cemetery, you will find tombstones of tractor businesses like the Happy Farmer and Fortson that are no longer around. This area is actually our drain field. There you go. A little information for you. Here's a couple more older pieces of machinery. And over here, oh, there's one little piece down there. And on the other side here, there's another older piece of machinery here for you. It's all over the yard. You just gotta walk around looking for it. You can find all kinds of older machinery like this around, scattered around the area. Here's a little engine for you. Row Crop 60. Anyway, back to this little engine. Neat little tractor they made. Steam-driven oil pump from Bangor, Michigan. And in the weeds over there is an old gas pump right there.
That's why they need to be more trees.